Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will show you how to set up and manage teen account on Instagram. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is firstly go to a phone of a teenager and then simply click on the three lines at the top right over here, as you can see on the video. Then you will see a new feature called Teen Safety Setting. Click on that and over here you will have multiple options, as you can see down over here. Among those will be account privacy. So the moment you will enable the account privacy option, which you can see right over here, you will be able to monitor their messages, sensitive content that they can view, tags, mentions, and content remixing. You will have control over all of them. And once you will enable this option, you will have to add a parent account, as you can see right over here. So click on that add parent section. Then all you have to do is click on continue. Then this will enter the parent username, as you can see right over here. Now send the request. Once you will do that, a notification will be sent on the parent's device, as you can see right over here. Then over here, just simply click on continue and you will be redirected to the family center. Over there, you will have the account of your teen, which you can review on command. So just simply click on approve and now you will have full control over their account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos.